Abby Ann White, and I just graduated in interior design.
My name is Caio Moyano de Almeida. I just graduated Associates in Business Management.
My name is Sasha Medinsky, and I graduated with Bachelor's in Cybersecurity.
My name is Edson. I graduated in Finance Bachelor's.
My name is Christopher. I graduated with an Associate of Applied Science.
My name is Leonardo Nunes, and I just graduated with a bachelor's degree in business management.
My name is Daniel Armada. I just graduated on an Associate's in Digital Marketing.
My name is Maria Gillian, and I graduated in Social Media Marketing.
My name is Rebecca, and I graduated in Small Business Management and Entrepreneurship.
My name is Tatiana, and I just graduated from Business Management.
My name is Jimena Nevillat, and I just graduated in Communications Bachelor's degree.
My name is Robert, and I just graduated in Business Management.
So, I am Desiree Jenkins from Peru, and I just graduated from Project Management.
Was college worth it? Yes, absolutely. Why? Because I think one thing I really didn't expect was the lifelong friends that I made. I didn't come to Ensign expecting to meet such good friends, and I've made a really good group of friends. So,
Was getting your degree worth it?
Absolutely. It was a lot of work, but there's a lot of reward as well.
Was college worth it?
Oh yeah, for sure. Totally worth it.
It takes a while. Sometimes you wonder if you're gonna be able to accomplish, but it's a wonderful day today.
Was college worth it?
100%. It's tough, but it's definitely worth it.
Why?
Oh, just can't even start. The feeling that you don't have homework after you graduate is amazing. You have better employment chances. Right now in the tech field, as you can see, there's a lot of layoffs, but if you have a bachelor's degree or any kind of degree, it stands out to employers, and you might land a job, and hopefully you'll land a job.
Was college worth it?
I'd say so, yeah.
Oh, definitely, it was worth it.
Was college worth it?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. It doesn't feel like it all the time, but oh yeah, it is. When you get to the end, it is.
Was college worth it?
Amazing. Every single second of it. This attests to it, so.
Was it worth it?
Yeah, it was.
Why?
I think networking is the main thing for me. It's just all the people that I got to know, more than just the knowledge, the teachers, and the connections that I've created. I think that's what really prepared me for my future.
Awesome. Okay. Was college worth it?
Yes.
Fresh out of graduation, was college worth it?
I'd say yes. I wouldn't say because I want to apply necessarily everything in my life, but because like in general, I got a lot of information that I'm gonna get to use in what I actually want to do.
Was college worth it?
Oh, it definitely was. I took about a 5-year hiatus from my associates, came back, and it's definitely opened a lot of windows.
Was college worth it?
You know what? I think I don't have enough words to express how I feel right now. I'm 47 years old. I am a grandma. I came from Peru 7 years ago. So to me, it's a great achievement what I did it today. So I want to continue my education because it's very important, and it's a big day, my very best day ever.
Thanks for watching today's video.
If you enjoyed today's content, drop a like and subscribe to Ensign College.
To learn how Ensign College could help your career, click the link below.